In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up VSeeBox V6 Plus remote control. So all you need to do, first of all, is just insert your battery on your remote. So insert two AAA batteries into the remote and turn on your TV and the VSeeBox. The setup screen should appear automatically on your TV. So when the pairing screen appears, you'd like to hold the OK and volume minus button at the same time. Keep holding until the remote connects to the TV. When pairing is successful, you will see a message confirming the remote is connected. So after that, you'll find a new screen on your TV. Just follow the on-screen setup. It will be selecting, example, your language, adjusting the screen size, choosing your time zone, connecting to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and accepting the agreements. The box will finish installing its apps automatically and then open the home screen. If you want the remote to control your TV, you can hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the lid stays on. Then you can press the TV button that you want to program, such as power or volume. If you want more details about this, I've made separated video on how to set up your VSeeBox V6 remotes if you want to set this up correctly. So basically, as a summary, you'll have to get to your old remote example closely from 1 to 2 inches, enter the learning mode, and then press the button on your VBox remote, then press the other button on the other remote, and it should learn it. And of course, you can then test out all the buttons that you programmed in the learning mode. And of course, to quit it, you'll just have to wait a few seconds or press a non-programmable example button. So that's how you set up a VSeeBox V6 Plus remote control.